Now I want to show you how to create links to other pages on your WordPress site. And we're looking at the rabbits page again. I've simplified some of the stuff going on up here. I removed the bold and the italicized text. I removed the block quote. And I also split up the first paragraph into 2 paragraphs so that this large text here is much shorter. It's just 1 sentence. It's a lot easier to read because it's just one that's really large and the rest is normal size. So going back to our editing page here, you can see how I simplified that text. And I'm going to add a link in here to one of our pages on this website, and then a link to an external website, and we can see the difference there. So if I look back at my list of pages, I'll see what the pages are called, and maybe I'll try linking here to this flexible content page. It can help to know what the name of that page is, as you'll see in a moment. So I'm going to go back into my rabbits page. And something to know about links is that they really are comprised of 2 parts. There's the text that is on the front of the page that the user can read, and then there's the code behind it that actually links to a web page. And rarely do you want the actual full web address to be the text that the user reads on the front end. So what I want to make as the text on the front end is a description of what that link would be. What kind of content will the user get once they click on the link? Well, in this case, they are going to see something about our flexible content template. So that's what I'm going to type there. Notice that I don't put click here or here of any kind. I just put what the content is. This matters also to the visually impaired or other people with disabilities that are navigating through the website in a less traditional way. I'm going to select that text. In the case of links, you do need to select the specific words and characters that you want to serve as a link. And I'm going to click up here on my Insert/Edit Link button. And I can start typing the name of that page. Flex, and you can see that the little thing is spinning here. It's loading all of the options that have flex in it. And there's my page I want right there called Flexible Content. I can click on it and I hit the apply button. It's kind of like a little return icon here. And now there's a link on that page. I'm going to click update and go take a look at it. I have the front end of the page in a separate tab here, but I'm waiting for my little quarter circle here to stop spinning. And then I'm going to refresh this page on the front. And there's my link. It's purple because I've visited that page before today. Recently I visited the page. Normally our links to somewhere else are going to be in this burgundy color here, but we do want a distinction for people between what they've visited and what they have not. So this is why this is a dark purple. And if I click on it, I will go to that other page. There it is. I'm going to hit my back button and go back to the rabbits page. Next, I want to link out to a separate website, and in that case I want it to open in a new tab. So I'm going to open to this website here, Friends of Unwanted Rabbits, and they can, people can adopt a rabbit. So I think in terms of what that task is, what do I want people to know that they can do if they click that link? I'm going to start a new line here. I hit return on my Mac or enter on the PC, start a new paragraph, and I'm going to put adopt a rescue rabbit. And I'm going to select that text. But I need to have this web address copied. I selected and I did Command-C on the Mac or Control-C on the PC. And now I have my text selected here on my editing screen. I'm going to insert, edit link, and I'm going to paste. That's Command-V on the Mac or Control-V on the PC. Notice that even though I didn't see the http:// in the address bar up here in the browser, that Chrome and Firefox and other browsers will automatically add that. They just hide it from you when you're looking on the web page. And I can hit apply here, but actually I want this to open in a new tab, remember? So I'm going to go to my list of link options here. I'm going to click on this little gear icon, and now I have some more options here. I can change the link text from here and the URL, that web address. But this is the button I need, open link in a new tab. Also notice from this options box here that I can search for my existing content from this search box, or I can kind of scroll through it and I can see that there are a variety of things. There are blog posts, pages, even meta sliders. Those are our big slideshows. I have a couple set up over here. I could link to any of those, but I'm just going to keep my existing link and open in a new tab and click update, and then click update again to update the page. I'm waiting for it to finish loading. And now I'll refresh my rabbits page on the front end. There's my new link here, and if I click on this one, let me go ahead and close this tab so you can see that it's opening a new one. Click it, and there we go. There's the fur link, and I still have the Sacramento City College website available in this tab. I haven't closed that one. I've just started a new one.